Are you feeling like you're navigating a maze when trying to update your signature in Gmail? Fear no more, because today I'm here to show you quick and easy ways to create and customize professional looking email signatures in Gmail. Hi there, I'm Dylan and you're watching Exclaimer's Signature Series, a series of 5-minute masterclasses on everything email signature related. Exclaimer is the market leader in email signature management solutions, empowering businesses to unlock the true potential of email as a digital advertising channel. Our platform amplifies one-to-one email communications for Microsoft and Google users across all devices. Today I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how you can create and customize a professional signature in Gmail. Creating a professional Gmail signature can really help your emails stand out and promote your brand. A signature usually includes helpful information like your name, where you work, your phone number, and even hyperlinks to your website. So let's dive into it. First, let's start with adding a basic signature in Gmail. Log into Gmail, click on Settings, which is the gear symbol, then See All Settings. Scroll down to the Signature section and click on Create New. Give your signature a name and type it out in the editor. Once done, click Save Changes. It's really that simple. But what if you're using the Gmail mobile app? Let's show that now. Open the Gmail app, go to Settings, choose the email address you want to set a signature for, select Mobile Signature on Android or Signature Settings on iOS. Enter your signature text and click OK. If you want to create a professional Gmail signature with more than just plain text, here's what you should do. Add relevant contact information like your full name, job title, company name, phone number, and email address. Use additional formatting to make your signature look more interesting, but avoid using too many different fonts. Add hyperlinks to your website URL, email address, or social media accounts. Don't forget to add an image like your company logo to make it more professional. And there you have it, your professional Gmail signature is ready to go. What if down the line you need to change this signature? Let's go over that now. Open Gmail, go to Settings, click on See All Settings, find the Signature section and make your changes. Customize with formatting options or images, save your changes, and you're all set. Now, if you're managing signatures for a whole company, doing it manually can be quite a hassle. But guess what? That's where Exclaimer comes in. With our email signature management solution, you can centrally design and manage everyone's Gmail signatures in the whole company. Plus, you can ensure brand consistency and save hours of manual updates. So why not start a 14-day free trial today? Or book a demo with one of our product specialists. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.